Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you best plugins for ChatGPT-4. Now, if you haven't already joined the plugins waitlist right here, make sure to join the plugins waitlist because all of these plugins can be used if you have access to ChatGPT plugins. And most people do not have access to ChatGPT plugins yet. So if you want to get access, then go here and join the plugins waitlist. Now that I have that out of the way, I can go and I can actually show you the best plugins for ChatGPT-4. Now, the first plugin on this list is called Wolfram. Now, if you have access to ChatGPT plugins, as you can see, Wolfram basically gives you the ability to use a lot of high mathematical problems in order to go, and that plugin will basically solve them. As you can see, the matrices with ChatGPT and the Wolfram plugin, watch as ChatGPT uses the Wolfram plugin to create a 3 against 3 matrix with increasing prime values in its rows and then compute the inverse of the created matrix. So as you can see, Wolfram will give you all the possibilities in order to solve big mathematical problems. Now, this is first plugin on this list. The second plugin on this list is called Browsing Plugin for ChatGPT. Now, as you can see, thinking through the different flows of Google versus Chat, following up searches with questions, summaries, etc. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like, or how it's actually looking like for those of you who have plugin access. You can go here and you can say, get me the recent AI research paper that was talking about the number of jobs that could be affected by AI. And then as you can see, it browsed through the internet, and then a recent research paper, or ChatGPT actually gave a recent research paper based on that question, what it was the answer. And yeah, this is basically another plugin that is a great plugin if you want to connect ChatGPT with Google. It's a great plugin to have. The third plugin on this list is, as you can see, this plugin, which is called Code Interpreter. Now, this plugin is a powerful plugin. As you can see, exploring k-means, clustering on the iris dataset using Code Interpreter ChatGPT plugin. So basically, Code Interpreter ChatGPT plugin, uses algorithms to show you how to go and how to write a code. And as you can see, it can do a lot of different things like, creating data sets, writing a code, fixing the code, upload. You can upload also the images as well. As you can see down below, you have an icon to upload an image. You can also work with images. You can turn the images into PDFs, stuff like that. This is an incredible tool, which is still in alpha. For most of you, you won't have access to this tool, even though you have access to plugins with ChatGPT. But this tool is a great tool again. And also we have a couple more plugins right here, such as OpenTable. As you can see, OpenTable has also partnered with OpenAI to develop a ChatGPT plugin for restaurants. So you can get restaurant recommendations on chat. So for example, if you are in Los Angeles and you want to get restaurant recommendations, you can use OpenTable just for that. So that's also one thing, or one plugin that you can as well use on this list. And the last plugin is actually a Shopify plugin, which as you can see, while OpenAI has mentioned Shopify as one of the third-party ChatGPT plugins in its announcement, there is no noise about it from Shopify's end. Now, obviously, this plugin is still not available, but this plugin will be able to offer personalized shopping recommendations to users based on their browsing history, favorites, and the products of Shopify merchants. So this will basically be another great plugin for e-commerce businesses, especially if you have an e-commerce business. But this plugin is still not yet available, while the other 4 plugins that I mentioned are still available for most people. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, and we'll see you in the next upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching.